lived in Indonesia for a long time. I was teaching there for a long time. Tadi saya bisa bahasa Indonesia. Hampir sama dengan bahasa Indonesia. Hampir. And I currently teach in Hong Kong. I'm actually a physical education. I did have favourites, you guys to be my favourite. Currently teaching in Hong Kong, where my role is also involved, probably more so in the diploma program now. Brenda, want to introduce yourself?
I started my IB, my experiment with IB 9 years ago in India, and I started as a humanities, individuals and societies teacher.
Okay, so this is our program for today. As Runa said, there's a lot of information to get through. As you can see, we're a little bit behind time, so we'll have to try to make up some time later. So we'll be looking at the philosophy of the NYP, we'll be looking at unit planning, we're looking at what happens in the NYP classroom, and then looking at assessment. A couple of things. What we're discussing today, how will the changes in the NYP affect you and your classroom? How will it affect your role as a teacher? How will it affect the school and also the community? We had the parents in earlier today. We got the presentation, the aims of the workshop there. Some key points is we want to understand that the NYP is progressive. In fact, the NYP it's been around for almost a quarter of a century. But in the last year, and next year, is going through some major changes. Perubahan agak besar. Big changes, and those changes because of point. We're going to be looking at the NYP units. We're going to be thinking about conceptual education, and we're going to also be looking at inquiry learning. What does it mean what does inquiry learning mean? And then we'll also be looking at assessment. Halaman pertama. So please, pull this up,